In this video, we are going to consider how to simplify this algebraic expression right here. Now, first thing you need to understand is the order of the operations that is made up of. Now, here we have 18 divided by 1 all over 2 multiplied by 4 when divided by 3. Then to write here, what you're going to do, we are going to simplify the numerator first and then the denominator. Now, which other operation are you going to use here? We are going to apply PEMDAS, and we have here then at this point, considering the numerator, we are going to have this. Let's bring it out. 18 divided by 1 over 2 multiplied by 4. Then at this point, we have division here. We have also have a fraction. We have multiplication right here. When first considering this order of operation, here we don't have parentheses. There's no parentheses here. We don't have exponents. We have multiplication. We have division. We don't have addition and subtraction. Now right here, the operations move from left to right. Record that multiplication and division has the same precedence. And right here, the operation is from left to right, and that simply implies we are going to first of all consider division before multiplication, because we move from left to right irrespective of their position. Now at this point, we are going to consider this division here, but also in this case, we are going to apply KCF, which simply means keep, change, and flip. That is, we are going to keep 18, then we are going to flip. We are going to change the sign, division here to multiplication, and we flip this fraction, which is 1 over 2. And if you do, we are going to have here 18 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. Now, if we multiply this out, 18 times 2, that gives us 36, then multiplied by 4. And now 36 multiplied by 4, that will give us 144. Then now we are going to divide this answer by 3. And finally, we are going to have here 44 all over 3. Now 144 divided by 3. Now 144 divided by 3, that will give us 48. And this is the right answer to this given expression here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you've already done that, thank you so much. And make sure that you stay tuned for more interesting videos from this channel.